And trust me, after what I'm about to show you, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. But these three, they're different. They actually change how you work. Not just fancy demos, real tools that save you hours every single day. I'm talking about Google's Gemini, Perplexity, and NotebookLM. Completely free AI tools that just got massive upgrades. These things are wild. You can turn videos into summaries in seconds, generate actual video clips with audio, and transform research into content while you sleep. The best part, you can start using them right now without spending a dime. Let's dive in. Let me start with tool number one, Google Gemini. Now, you might have heard of Gemini before, but what they just released is on another level. They dropped Gemini 2.5, and it comes in different versions, Flash, Flashlight, and Pro. Each one is faster and smarter than before. Here's what makes it insane. Gemini can now handle images, videos, code, and text all at once. That's the multimodal part, but the real game changer, you can feed it a YouTube video URL, just paste the link, and ask it to summarize the entire thing. No more watching hour-long videos to find one piece of info. Gemini does it in seconds. Think about that for a second. You find a competitor's video, or a tutorial, or a podcast. You paste the link into Gemini, and boom, you get the 5 key takeaways, the main points, the actionable steps, all without watching a single minute. But it gets better. Gemini also generates images now. You can prompt it to create branded visuals for your social posts, custom graphics, even code snippets if you need them. And they added this feature called Created by You. It's basically a gallery where all your generated content lives, images, videos, everything, so you can organize and reuse your AI creation. Now, here's the kicker. Google integrated Gemini into everything, Gmail, Google Search, Google Docs, it's everywhere, which means the barrier to entry is basically zero. If you use Google products, you're already halfway there. Let me give you a quick use case. Say you're making content about AI tools, you find 10 videos on the topic. Instead of watching all 10, you paste each URL into Gemini. Ask it to pull out the key points. In 10 minutes, you have a full outline for your next video or blog post. That's the power. The free version gives you a lot. But if you want the most advanced features, especially for code generation, you'll want the Pro tier. Still, for most people, the free version is more than enough to get started. All right, tool number 2, Perplexity. Now, Perplexity is different. It's not just a chatbot, it's an answer engine. And they just added something crazy, video generation, actual video clips with audio, 8 seconds long. You type a prompt, Perplexity creates a video for you with sound in seconds. Let me say that again. You can generate video content from a text prompt. No editing software, no stock footage, no audio mixing. Just type what you want, hit enter, and you get a video clip. Here's an example. Say you need a quick explainer for social media. You type, explain what blockchain is in 8 seconds with audio. Perplexity generates the video, you download it, post it, done, that's it. But that's not all. Perplexity also added app connectors. You can hook it up to your email, calendar, Notion, even GitHub. So now it's not just answering questions, it's part of your workflow. You can ask it to summarize your inbox, draft email replies, pull info from your Notion docs, all inside one tool. They also upgraded their image generation. They added new models like Nano Banana and Seedream 4, better quality, more control. And they added memory and personalization, so the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding what you need. Now, here's where it gets interesting for creators. You can combine the image generation with the video tool, create a visual, turn it into a short video, add it to your content pipeline all in one place. All right, tool number 3, NotebookLM. This one is from Google too, and it just got a massive upgrade. NotebookLM is basically your AI research assistant, but now it does way more than take notes. Here's what changed. NotebookLM can now create video overviews. You upload your documents, PDFs, web articles, whatever, and it generates a video summary with slides like an actual presentation in 80 languages. But wait, there's more. You can also create audio overviews. Think of it like a podcast episode about your research. You feed in the sources. NotebookLM creates an audio summary. You can listen while you work or use it as a base for your own podcast. And they added public sharing. You can take your notebook and share it with a link. Anyone can view it, read the summaries, check the FAQs. It's like turning your research into a mini website. But here's my favorite part. They added a learning guide mode. It acts like a tutor, asks you questions, tests your knowledge, adapts to how you learn. And they also added flashcards and quizzes so you can study faster or help your team learn new topics. Now, let me show you how I use this. Say I'm researching a new topic for a video. I find 5 or 6 good articles, maybe a PDF or 2. I upload them all to NotebookLM. It reads everything. Then it creates a video overview with the main points, the key insights, the connections between ideas. I take that video, turn it into a script, and boom, I have the outline for my next piece of content. It cuts my research time in half, maybe more. You can also use it to share knowledge with your team, upload your company docs, create a notebook, share the link. Now everyone has access to the same info, same summaries, same FAQs. No more digging through folders. And here's the thing, all of this is free. You don't need to pay. You don't need special access. You just sign up and start using it. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. You can use all three tools together. Let me show you how. Start with NotebookLM. Use it to gather your research, upload sources, let it organize everything, get the video or audio overview. Now you have your base content. Next, take that content to Gemini, use it to generate visuals or to summarize related videos or to pull out key quotes. Whatever you need to make your content richer. Finally, head to Perplexity, use it to create short video clips or generate images or connect it to your workflow to keep everything organized. See how they work together? Each tool handles a different part of the process: research, creation, distribution, and they all play nice with each other. The best part, you can start with the free versions, test them out, see which one fits your workflow, then upgrade if you need more power. Let me give you a real example. Say you're creating a YouTube video about AI trends, you start in NotebookLM, upload 10 articles about AI, get the video summary, that's your research done. Then you go to Gemini, paste in a few competitive video URLs, get summaries of what they covered. Now you know what angles to take. Finally, you hit up Perplexity, generate a few short explainer clips, maybe create some custom images, and boom, you have all your supporting content ready to go. That whole process used to take days. Now it takes an hour, maybe less. And look, I know this sounds too good to be true, but these tools are real. They're live and they're free to start. You just have to actually use them. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one tool today, just one, try it out, give it a real task, not some test prompt, something you actually need done, and watch what happens, because here's the truth. AI isn't coming, it's here. And the people who learn to use these tools now, they're going to have a massive advantage. While everyone else is still doing things the old way, you'll be 10 steps ahead. And if you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach you the exact systems I use in my 7-figure agency. It's the best place to get more customers, automate your workflows, and learn exactly how to use AI to grow. Inside, you'll get step-by-step training on AI automation. You'll see real case studies from businesses saving thousands of dollars every month. Plus, you'll get access to our private community where we share the latest AI tools and strategies before anyone else. If you're serious about using AI to grow your business, this is where you need to be. I'll drop the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.